अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS 401 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन 2024। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। द ऑपरेंड ऑफ पुश इज कॉल्ड, करेक्ट आंसर इज सोर्स ऑपरेंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द क्लियर स्क्रीन ऑपरेशन इनिशियलाइजेस whole block of video memory to, correct answer is 0741. Question number 3, which of the following IRQs is connected to serial port COM2, correct answer is IRQ3. Question number 4, which of the following IRQs is connected to serial port COM1, correct answer is IRQ4. Question number 5, which of the following IRQ is used for sound card or network card, correct answer is IRQ5. The programmable interval time PT has input frequency of, correct answer is 1.193 millihertz. By executing which of the following instruction the value in AX register becomes the half of previously stored value, correct answer is SHR AX, 1. 8088 processor divide interrupt into dash classes, correct answer is 2. In A4FB colon 4872 segment offset pair, the physical address is both segment and offset are in hexadecimal, करेक्ट आंसर इज A9822। स्टूडेंट, अगर आपको मेरी समझ आ रही है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। ये CS 401 के फाइनल टर्म के MCQs 100% करेक्ट एंड वेरीफाइड आंसर है। फिर भी अगर कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे। When instruction CMP AX BX execute and after execution ZF is set, it indicate that correct answer is both AX and BX are equal. That traditionally all mathematical and logical operations are performed in dash, correct answer is accumulator register. A stack is a data structure which behave as, correct answer is last in first out manner. Segment wrapper around occur when during the effective address calculation dash is generated, correct answer is carry. The bits of dash register work independently. If combined all these bits, then they are meaningless, correct answer is flag. IMPC has separate memory address space and peripheral address space. Memory address space is selected when dash instruction is given to the processor, correct answer is IIN. Int 10 is used for dash surface, correct answer is BIOS video. Dash are not used in mathematical operation, correct answer is direction, interrupt and trap flag. VISA stand for, correct answer is Video Electronic Standards Association. In computer architecture, the protected mode is different from dash, correct answer is real time mode. In assembly language programming, how many prevalent calling convention do exist, correct answer is 2. In computer architecture RISC stand for dash, correct answer is reduced instruction set computer. In computer architecture CISC stand for complex instruction set computer. Which byte of the device input buffer holds the number of characters actually read on return, correct answer is second byte. In multitasking environment, which is called scheduler for saving and restoring the register, correct answer is int08. The thread registration code initializes the PCB and add it to the linked list, so that which will give it a turn scheduler. स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। इन मल्टीटास्किंग प्रोग्रामिंग ऑल थ्रेड्स आर, करेक्ट आंसर इज इंडिपेंडेंट टू ईच अदर. Int 10 video scroll up window is a type of video surface used in which mode, correct answer is graphics. BIOS sees the disk as, correct answer is raw storage device. Which of the following gives more logical view of the storage medium, correct answer is DOS. In device attribute word, which of the following will decide whether it a character device or block device, correct answer is bit 15. The serial port connection is a dash connector, correct answer is 9-pin DB9. In 9-pin DB9, which pin number is assigned to TD transmitted data, correct answer is 3. In 9-pin DB9, RI ring indicator is assigned on pin number dash. Correct answer is 9. 8088 is a dash. 16-bit processor. The table index is set to dash to access the GTT global descriptor table. Correct answer is 0. स्टूडेंट ये 100% करेक्ट वेरीफाइड आंसर और मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs है जो फाइनल टर्म में आने के चांस है. In 68K processor there is a dash program counter that holds the address of currently executing instruction. Correct answer is 32-bit. In 68K processor there is a 32-bit dash that holds the address of currently executing instruction. Correct answer is program counter. And 8 multiplied 16 is stored in dash byte. Correct answer is 16. Which of the following interrupt is non-maskable interrupt NMI? Correct answer is int2. Dash number of pin of a processor are used by external hardware to generate an interrupt. Correct answer is 3. After the execution of push AX statement, correct answer is a copy of AX will go on the stack. Question number, which of the following IRQs is connected to serial port COM1? Correct answer is IRQ4. Question number 3, an end of interrupt EOI signal is sent by. Correct answer is handler. The programmable interval time has input frequency of. Correct answer is 1.193 MHz. ये दोबारा रिपीट हुआ है, मतलब ये MCQs फाइनल टर्म में आने के चांस है. प्लीज मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंटरप्ट इज हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इंटरप्ट टाइमर इंटरप्ट इज करेक्ट आंसर. द एक्चुअल फिजिकल एड्रेस रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द सेगमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट पेयर AB01FF will be. Correct answer is BB0F. Suppose DH contain 1 000 10 10 and CL contain 3. What is the value of DH after the following instruction? SHL DH CL. Correct answer is 0 1 0 1 4 0. When two devices in the system want to use the same IRQ line, then what will happen? Correct answer is an IRQ conflict. After the execution of STOSW, the CX will be decremented by 1 is correct answer. Which of the following is true? Correct answer is in general the memory cell cannot be wider than data bus. Traditionally, all mathematical and logical operations are performed in dash. Correct answer is accumulator register. Reading to the stack in 8088 architecture, which of the following statement is true? Correct answer is single byte cannot be popped from the stack. The second byte of the word designated for one screen location hold. Correct answer is character color on the screen. Int 10 is used for dash surface BIOS video. In graphics mode, a location in video memory corresponds to a dash on the screen. Correct answer is dot. The value of AH registered in the right graphics pixel service is dash. Correct answer is 0CH. The space where the current state of a task is stored is called dash. Correct answer is process control block. Int 21 service O01H is used to read character from standard input with echo. It returns the result in dash register. Correct answer is AI. Visa VBE 2.0 is a standard for dash. Correct answer is high resolution mode. Visa stand for Video Electronic Standard Association. Correct answer is Video Electronic Standard Association. ये भी दूसरी दफा रिपीट हुआ है. Please like and subscribe my channel.